Hello, moms! Today, Rainbow students are going to have a fun experiment with Ms. Hesty. This experiment is called Rainbow Water. To do this experiment, the students first pour water onto a plate. After that, the students take a piece of cotton and put food coloring on it. Following that, the students put soap in the middle of cotton. This is one of the final steps. Finally, the students can see rainbow water. Rainbow Kids host science experiments like this every month. Thank you for watching. See you later, moms. Goodbye.